According to market watchers, the stars are aligning for a weaker dollar. The Federal Reserve is back in easing mode. A US-China trade truce could raise risk appetite and encourage investors to venture out of dollar assets. The US dollar, as measured by the US dollar index, weakened over the past holiday-shortened week. The dollar index was down by 0.05% at 98.27 in late trading on Friday. Early in the session, the index rose as high as 98.54, its highest level since October 15. For the week, the index was about flat. However, for the month, the dollar index was up by 0.9%, its best monthly performance since July. The unsigned US-China trade deal continued to fill investors with doubts. US President Donald Trump signed a bill on Wednesday that supports the pro-democracy protests in Hong Kong, despite angry objections from Beijing, with which he's seeking a deal to end a damaging trade war. Meanwhile, the euro rose against the greenback after data showed that eurozone inflation accelerated faster than expected in November amid rising food and services prices. Annual inflation rates, however, remained far lower than expectations of the European Central Bank. The common currency advanced by 0.07% on Friday to close at 1.1017, however, posting a 0.3% fall week on week. In the meantime, the British pound hovered around the $1.29 level on Friday, showing little reaction to political headlines, with analysts expecting little movement in the run-up to the UK general election on December 12. The pound was up by 0.2% on Friday to close at 1.2934 to dollar. For the week, sterling marked a rise of 0.1%. Meanwhile, it has been an exciting week in the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin price going on a roller coaster throughout the past 7 days. Bitcoin started the week trading at around $7,150, dropped to a low of about $6,600, only to recover, get up to $7,800. For the week, the Crypto King added 1.6%. However, throughout the volatile month of November, Bitcoin lost $1,500 of its value. Still, there was some truly positive news for the cryptocurrency. The announcement came from Germany, as the country has passed a draft bill which, if approved, would allow banks to store Bitcoin and offer other cryptocurrency services to its clients. Shifting focus to commodities, oil prices fell sharply on Friday as the possible approval of a production cut extension at an upcoming OPEC meeting grew more doubtful. January Brent crude fell by 2.2% to close at $62.43 a barrel on ICE Futures Europe. Meanwhile, WTI closed the week at $55.17 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. WTI and Brent crude prices have increased 21.49% and 16.04% respectively so far this year, falling from their peak levels in April. Meanwhile, gold for February delivery on COMEX was up by 0.8% to settle at $1,465.80 an ounce. This week, investors will continue to pay close attention to clues concerning market demand and global trade, while the US-China trade negotiations continue driving market sentiment. You've watched Combined Financial Review on InstaTV. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.